Myself, Vansha Dikshit, born and brought up in a lower middle class family, and I had keen interest in art from very childhood. My soul stimulated me always to do art from the beginning. I am developing an innovative research of many types of materials and forms. Art has the nature of innovativeness, so we could not bind it by the thread of subject. Art is a momentary cognition of a person. There are so many images in our subconscious mind. We even don't think about those things. Spontaneously they come in my drawing, and the theory of Sigmund Freud seems true here. My most of the works are based on the panels. I think in panels there are more challenges to do something creative, and I enjoy it. In my opinion, art is pure expression and equal to meditation. Art is beyond reality. In any kind of painting, lines and colors are two bonding factors. From very early age, I knew that I want to be an artist, and took admission at College of Arts and Craft Lucknow at the age of 17. It was like living my dream life. But stepping out of the college, reality begins from there. You have to practice art continuously. I aesthetically compose fictional works in the form of nature. My works are inspired by nature, environment, surroundings, and self-expression. I love to do work in mixed media. Nowadays, I am working on new series of works using papers of old books and students' copies. Roots and surroundings are reflected in the words of a writer and in the lines of an artist. Likewise, my thought process and its expression has invested with elements taken from my surroundings. I am researching in the style of intangible forms of nature, trying to experiment with textures, forms, and even balancing of colors. I always try to maintain discipline in my work and put great importance to my idea, skill, and type of materials being used. I want to further enhance my knowledge and gain experience. To be one of the finest artists having a high moral value. In my works, I simply to address unnoticed which exist around me.